No way! I strongly recommend, if you're not sure, don't use it. Trading is always about risk. My name is Lola, an experienced trader. In almost 2 years, I'm sharing my experience with my followers. Every day, I do free Telegram signals. So if you're excited and if you're interested in it and if you want to trade with me, follow the link which you can find only in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will be waiting for you there, and let's get that success together. Hello everyone, Lola here, and today I will share with you my new sweet strategy. I know that you really love these videos because you usually write about it under my YouTube videos, so thank you so much. It's the easiest way how you can support me. I strongly recommend also to put your like, and don't forget to subscribe because I every week sharing with you my super strategy. But if you don't want to study this, it's okay. You always can join my Telegram channel. I remind you that everything is for free over there. But if you want to become my VIP member, it's also for free, and I invite you to go there. For this, just write me that you want to go in a VIP chat. We'll be so happy to invite you there and to see you as a member of my team. Of course, right now we can start trading, so let's go. Right now, we will set up our feed for today, and here you can see our amount that we have. We will continue with this. So here, time frame, so we'll put 15 seconds. Indicators, we will change the video. So Kether channel, also my ADX, this thing we will use. So let's choose some currencies, or maybe we can choose some stocks. It depends on what you want, but the most important thing is payout. If you see that it's higher than 90%, that's really good and you can use it. So you can choose whatever you like, but I strongly recommend to use something that's higher than 90%. By the way, right now we are ready to set up this one. So Kether channel, I will change EMA period on 16, ATR period on 8. Here we can change on green color in 3 pixels. Here we can put blue color in 3 pixels. Here let's put red and green like 3 pixels as well. So here EDX moving 12. Here also 12. So let's change it to 3 pixels. Here we can put 3 pixels. Here red color in 3 pixels and save it. Okay, OSMA, here let's write 10, here we can write 20, and here 7. Okay, so probably everything is done. We can save it, and right now we are ready to continue to increase our bank. Let's just change what we can see over here. By the way, let's find an example, and I will explain how it works exactly with it. So let's go. Right now, I think that we are ready, and you probably can know how it works, but I will show you. By the way, amount I will put 1,000. So I will not put all of my money, but I want to trade like this. So here I will put on the up position. What do you think? Why I did this? Of course, you can be confused because it has the potential to go more down, but you see that it was the falling down. I strongly recommend to look at the red, like our candle, and it looks like it was falling down. Probably after this, our candles must to come back at the same point, and to be like this, they have to go up, and that's why I did this bet, and we have to wait. So let's wait. Right now, you see that we did everything in the right way. That's why I strongly recommend to be focused when you see something like candles go strongly up or falling down. I strongly recommend to be focused on this, and that's what will bring you the profit, and that's what we got right now. I'm so happy about it, but I want to get more, and that's why I want to continue with another pair. Let's go. Right now we are ready, so probably you see that it's going down and we can do something, but I want to change on something more interesting, and in this case you see that it going down position, and I will put it on the down. Why I do like this? Because you see that it was the low trend. We also look at our another indicators. Of course, ADX right now shows kind of correction, and it could be a little bit kind of like difficult because you touch the lowest point. Probably it must to change the way, but I look at our another indicators and they show me that it will continue to go down, and that's really good for us because it's the same situation as we had before, and But the previous one, we did like in the opposite way. It was like growing up, and that's why we put it up. And in this one, we have to put it down. So let's wait. Right now, you see that our candles want to grow up, and this is really good for us. By the way, it must go a little bit less because no way. You see, that's why when you trade with, it's really sad. By the way, when you see that it kind of correction like we had with ADX, it's still okay because it has some risks. Trading is always about risk, but when you see the correction, it means that you risk like in double. Okay, don't wait. We didn't lose all of our money, but we have to find something else. So let's find it. Right now, of course, I don't want to lose another 1,000. By the way, let's put again on down, and the logic is exactly the same. But right now, you see that ADX show us that it will be the going down position. So probably right now, ADX doesn't confuse us, and that's really nice. So we have to wait till the profit, and let's wait. Right now, you see that probably our candles still down of our point, and that's really important because that's the most important thing. What's going on when you do the trade, and that's what brings us the profit. Of course, it was a bit stressful, it was a bit risky, but I strongly recommend if you're not sure, don't use it. By the way, I'm here just to show you what you can meet with, and that's really good point, I think. So yes, right now we can try to find something else and increase our bank more, because I remind you, we lose a bit, not a bit, it was 1,000, okay? Right now, let me think. It looks like growing, but I want to find another thing. And what you can see over here, before it was the low trend, and right now I want to put on the up position, because yes, you can be confused because like our candle channel touched by the candle, but it's still going up, and I think it will continue to go like this because also ADX, also OSMA show us the same thing. It means we have the good potential to get the profit in this case, and that's why I put it up, and right now we have to wait. Right now, you see that our candle continue to go up, and of course, you can be confused because it goes over the line. It's still fine for us because situation can change, but we got the profit, and this is the most important thing. And that's why exactly I remind you, you have to use not only one indicator. I will repeat it again and again until you will not understand. It's really important to use different ways to see what's going on with the market. That's why I use not only one indicator. And these situations exactly show us that you have to use something else. And that's why in my strategies, I usually use not only one indicator. If both of them show you the same thing, it means it's really good time to do your trading session. If you see that they all go in different ways, I don't recommend to do this. Okay, right now I want to let you practice a bit, so let's find something. Right now, we are ready to do the bet, and I have to find something, so probably here we can do something. I remind you that right now, I will do my bet, and I strongly recommend to look at the situation what was also before. Show you this, and you have to be focused on these things, because it's really, really important. Right now, you have to answer the question, why I did this bet. I recommend you to do this, because when you practice in this way, it will help you to understand what's going on when you are exactly in trading session, and that's really, really important when you trade by your own. So answer the question why I did this bet, because it will help you in the future when you will trade by yourself. So right now I have to wait for the result. Right now, I hope that you already answered on the question why I did this bet. I remind you, it's really, really important. If you didn't do it yet, just do it right now, because that's what can bring you profit when you will do it by yourself. So you can see what was the point over there, why I think that it will be the right strategy to use like this. And I will show you how to get your money with withdrawal. So here you can see our amount that we have. It's more than 6,000. It's great. Payment method, I will use Tether. Here I will see I will put the amount that I want to get, and after this I will put my Tether address, put continue, and that's it. It's the easiest way how you can do it, and if you want to use something else, of course it's on your own, but I'm just show you like how you can do it in easiest way, because all of my students usually use like their Bitcoin wallet and so on, and I'm here to show you the different ways how you can do. But you can manage by yourself and choose whatever you like. So here we can finish. So this is the end of my video. I hope you like it. If so, put your like. Don't forget to subscribe. I remind you that if you have any questions, you always can ask me on my Telegram channel. All of my links you can find only in the description or in the first pinned comment. So click the link and join my Telegram channel. If you have any questions, ask them. If you want to join my VIP channel, just write about it. And I will be so happy to see you as my VIP member. So see you there and see you in the next video. Bye!